Hey everyone. So today I'm showing you how to create a newspaper on Canva using your PC. Whether it's for a school project, event, or just for fun, Canva makes it super easy. Let's get started. All right, first thing, open your web browser and go to canva.com. Log into your account or create a free one if you don't have it yet. Now, on the Canva homepage, you'll see a search bar at the top. First, tap on the template option to search for different templates. Type newspaper and press enter. Canva will show you tons of newspaper templates, vintage styles, modern layouts, and custom designs. Okay, browse through the templates and click on one you like. You'll see a preview of the template. Click Customize this template to start editing. Here's the thing, you can now customize everything. Click on any text to edit it. Change the headline, articles, and captions to fit your content. You can also change fonts and colors using the toolbar at the top. To add images, click on Uploads on the left side to upload your own photos, or click on Elements to use Canva stock photos. Just drag and drop them into your newspaper. Use the Elements tab to add shapes, lines, or borders to structure your layout. This helps separate articles and makes your newspaper look more professional. Make sure your text is at least 10-point font for readability. If you're using a busy background, add a shape behind the text for better contrast. Once you're happy with your design, click Share at the top right. You'll see the download button there, tap on it, choose PDF print for the best quality, then click Download. And that's it. Your custom newspaper is ready to print or share. If this helped you out, let me know in the comments below.